Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. By liking this video, you will help others just like yourself be able to find my home decor videos more easily. Today I will be showing you how I created this adorable Be Mine mug and floral arrangement using items from Dollar Tree. After the vinyl was cut, I removed it from the mat by pulling the mat away from the vinyl. This helps to keep the vinyl from rolling, usually, but as you can see, mine rolled anyway. I trimmed the vinyl, weeded it, and applied it to the transfer paper. I used rubbing alcohol and a paper towel to remove any dirt and oils from the cup. This helps the vinyl to adhere to the mug better. I applied the vinyl to the mug, making sure the lettering was straight, and then removed the transfer paper. I used a thin piece of fabric and my iron to heat the vinyl and help it to adhere to the mug. And that was it. This is a simple DIY and can be used on so many different objects or given as a gift. After I finished the mug, I decided I wanted to add some Dollar Tree roses to it. I poured a bag full of foam balls into the mug to help hold the roses in place. I had picked up some of the light pink roses from Dollar Tree on my weekly adventure. I cut them down so they would fit into the mug and started placing them in the mug. After I had them the way I wanted, I added some small pieces of baby's breath. I only had 2 pieces, but I think I will get more and add it to the arrangement also. The roses and the mug turned out so good together. I just love it. And it looks amazing for my other decor for Valentines. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!